Hello everyone, this is Ditya and you're watching this one. Welcome back to my channel. So first, let me do Sigma. We'll focus कर लेंगे. Focus. So now I'm here at OCD, Obsessive Compulsive Detailing with Vinay. Vinay is right here. What's up? Hello. And we are at OCD, Obsessive Compulsive Detailing, and I'm here to pick up my bike or pick my bike up. Pick up my bike, same thing. And with me is not just my bike. I'll show you a couple of cars as well. Ferrari 488 GTB right here, and a Lamborghini Huracan Verde Scandal right here, and an R8 Audi R8 V10 Verde Scandal again right here. Apart from that, we also have a VRS, we also have a Rover, we also have a GT Polo, we have also a Merc, all the background there. So before I get to what I've done with the bike and why I've done it, let me just show you how the bike looks, because look at the work and then we'll talk what has been done and why that has been done. So here we are OCD, and here with me is my friend Vinay, who's just holding the camera right there. But apart from Vinay, there's another person who helped me throughout all of this, like from the starting inspection, quotation, getting the bike washed and everything. The bike is completely ready. It's right here. It took them 2 days. Actually, it only took them 2 days, but I was supposed to pick the bike yesterday, but it rained, it poured again, and yeah, so now I'll introduce you to the person who helped me out with this. His name is Muzammil. He's the manager here at OCD. This is the person right here.
Hi.
Hello, and he'll tell you what did we do on the bike, or what did they do on the bike. They did an expel on this one, and which expel what he'll let you know right now.
Yeah, so we just did Expel PPF, Expel Ultimate Plus full PPF. Basically, it's a 10-year warranty PPF, comes with self-healing abilities as well as hydrophobicity on the surface of the PPF. And we got started with a proper wash of the bike, like proper foam wash was done. After that, we did a polish wherever the paint needed the polish, paint correction was done. And then we proceeded with the PPF installation. So all the white painted panels which you are seeing here on the bike is covered with the PPF. All these things, the tank is like installed in one piece, and few panels we had to dismantle so as to get the proper coverage inside and everywhere. And even we have covered the visor of the bike. So pretty much that. So after the PPF was installed, we did a ceramic layer on top.
So this is an Expel 10-year PPF. They also do a 5-year one. So the difference between 10 and 5 is that the warranty of the film, and if there's any like buffing, yellowing, anything that is manufacturer defect or manufacturer fault, they're gonna replace the whole thing or the whole panel, whichever part that's affected. But if it's like intentionally or unintentional, like the bike's done through crashes, vandalism, scratches, that's not covered. There's also a self-healing PPF. Now, how is it a self-healing and what does that do? Just
self-healing is basically like when there's like any fine scratches or lines, soil marks that come up on the film, can be healed like by pouring some warm water, or what do you say? We can use a heat gun to like show the heat gun over the surface, and then it'll be gone. So after the job is done, we recommend to not wash the vehicle.
Okay.
Because it's a curing period, like for a week or 10 days.
Okay.
If the vehicle is not washed, it's better, because water has to evaporate, dry up properly.
Exactly.
And then after that, we can use normally.
There's going to be another inspection after a week once.
Yeah, final inspection is needed. So to make sure any imperfection or like any lifts that may come up, that can be fixed in that check, and then after that it can be used normally with the wash.
So this protects you from stone chips. It protects you from those micro scratches, and then also we done like something called as what did we do on the bike? And also on the PPF there is a ceramic.
Yeah, that's
Yeah.
what I have mentioned
Yeah.
it. That helps the PPF
Yeah,
to
so
look more
there
glossy.
is a PPF, and on top of the PPF there's a complimentary ceramic. Now for the prices and all, you have to contact the person himself.
Yeah.
His name number is in the description box below. This is customized pricing. It's going to be different for me, different for you, and different for someone else, because everyone
It
has their
varies
own
with, like,
personal needs.
it varies with like vehicle to vehicle. How much PPF you need. That's what like.
And it also varies from what brand you want. Like you want Expel, Luma. Like I said, a customized quote for a person. So you come, drop in, and you can speak to him, and he will give you a quote. And if it works, it works. And I'm not satisfied. I'm overly joyous and happy with the job they've done. I'll give you my final review after my final inspection is done, because I haven't like really got the bike out of the studio. Like I'm just clicking photos of the Ferrari here, the Lambo there, the Audi there. Like this place is just like a haven for all of you guys who like supercars and superbikes. So that's about it. I'll show you the details where it has been done, like in short movie, and we'll get from there. So this is OCD. That is the person himself, and this is the bike. So this is OCD, as you can see the OCD here. This is the Lamborghini Huracan, that's the Polo GT TSI, this is a 488 GTB Ferrari, that's an Audi R8 V10, and Skoda Octavia. Let's go. Yeah, let's go. There's a VRS. Yeah, that is a VRS. Oh, side stand down. Common mistakes. So let's go. Noob mistakes, bro. Bye, bro. Take care. Thank you so much, bro. Bye. Bye. Nah. So this is OCD, obsessive compulsive detailing. If you wanna get your bike or car here, you can get it here. Vinay is right there. He is gearing up, and now me and Vinay are going to Gachibowli to fit the parts. As I told you in the other video. we need to hurry up. Water snake, hure. Oh. Okay. Oh, water is coming down. Okay. So me and Vinay are going Gachibowli now. I have to fit the parts on this bike, as in the frame sliders, fork protectors, and a lot of things. Motographic tank pad, everything here. Whose house is Trivikram Srinivas? Oh, that one. Trivikram, okay, yeah, that house is Trivikram, okay. So this is Film Nagar. If you guys know or don't know, a lot of film actresses, actors and directors live here. That Ala Vaikuntapuram house, everything is here only. There are a lot of studios, Annapurna studios and all that. So if you know TFI, Tollywood film industry or Telugu film industry, सबके घर पर यहीं रहते bro. यहाँ आपको heroes दिखते रहते, Ram Charan, Nani, Junior NTR and all that. So yeah, I'll not spot their houses for you. बोलो ये लोग यहाँ रहते, वहाँ रहते and all that. That's a nice Polo, dude. It's modded. It pop दे रहा गाड़ी वो. Yeah, top gear tuning. So I think it's a stage 2 because exhaust लगा हुआ है गाड़ी में. Any which ways, अब यहाँ से मैं और विनय जा रहे Gachibowli. We have to go there and fit the parts on this bike. Azhar bhai हमारा wait कर रहे हैं. So I'll get there. That's about with this video, guys. I hope you guys liked it. I'm done with the PPF on the bike, and there are a couple of things that I want to do now. And then the bike will be ready for Sundays. टुडे द सैटरडे एक्चुअली एंड कल मे बी आई विल गो फॉर अ राइड. सो मेरे को राइड जाने से पहले ये सब करना था, ये PPF पूरे पार्ट में लगाना, बिकॉज आई डोंट वांट टू रिस्क एनीथिंग. सो नाउ द PPF इज़ डन, पार्ट्स लग जाते हैं अभी. आई विल सी ऑन संडे राइड्स. देन फ्यूल अप कराना पड़ता मेरे को कल या आज रात में. I'll see about that. But yet again, Hashirama is back with the PPF and back charts with Chakra. So I'll see you in the next one. This is Aditya. You're watching Deets World, and like, share, comment, subscribe, do all that good stuff. And I'll catch you in the next one. Why drop F bombs when you got ref bombs? Now, I cannot do boom boom on this bike. Otherwise, bole clutch pedal gichi rehti. But I can rip this bike for you guys. So yeah, let it rip. I'll see you guys soon. That's a Beamer X1. Huh? Reaction, yeah, everybody, yeah, dude.